Here is my first Highway 61 Mustang. I believe it's supposed to be kind of like an olive green color. Not sure, because like the pictures online made it look like it was gray. But let's open it up and take a look. Apparently there's a black one of these out as well. I'd really like to get one of those, but they're about a $300 car, and I just do not want to pay that much for it. That's not good. So apparently Highway 61 boxes are a bit of a pain to open. Doesn't appear that I messed anything up. And because this guy was a bit of a pain to track down, I'm going to also wear the white glove treatment. Get rid of some of this dust, man. Guessing this was probably displayed at some point. Mach 1. Bit of a dull finish on this one. Probably need to wax it up, make it look sharp. Wonder if this has rotors on it. No, it does not. Looking through the back, you can see that it is a solid wheel. Brake lines are a little crazy on this one. No freaking way. What? Check it out. The drive shaft actually moves. Well, this is officially the most ridiculous 1/18 scale model I own. Oh man, I love that. Alright, let's take a look at the engine bay. And it is a spring-loaded hood. It's actually quite similar to the Acme one I unboxed the other day. Got like little details on there. It's got little details on the radiator hose. It's got negative wire, positive wire. Uh-oh. And I just disconnected the coolant hose. Gonna have to fix that. I think this one's actually still a little bit more detailed than that Acme. You know, the spark plug wires going everywhere. Man. Got to fix this guy. Auto light. And it's got a part number on it. That's awesome. Let's close that guy. Kind of sucks, but should be really easy to fix, right? I have get some light in there so you can see through the grill. I love it when I actually have a proper grill. And this one doesn't have a hood gap at all, unlike that Acme. It's very slick. So this one's got quite a bit of dust on the inside, unfortunately. I have to take it apart to clean it. This one does not have the carpet like the Acme though. It does have the rubber mat. Alright, so check out the door jamb. Look at that. It's awesome. Alright, so let's take a look at the interior. I wonder, does this work? No, I was going to see if you could roll up the window, but it does not roll up. Look at that, it's got a radio. Mach 1, how cool is that? This is like over-the-top detail. Love it. Oh, check it out. It's got a Colorado plate. Nice. Let's see. So pretty similar to the Acme as well, but a little bit more detail because you actually can see some silver painted in there. And it's got the trunk stickers too on the lid and the trunk itself. Nice. Okay, so unlike the Acme, there is no serial number in the trunk. There is a 287 or 2887 right there, and I'm guessing that is the serial number. Look at that. I just love the drive axle turning it. Very cool. I've actually got a few other Highway 61s recently. I haven't had a chance to open them up yet. Kind of got them stored in the wife's kitchen. She claims it's her kitchen, so I need to get rid of them at some point. She's threatening to destroy them their way, so better, I guess, do an unboxing video of them real quick so I can get them thrown into my display. Anyways, guys, if you got a Highway 61 model and you got a video of it, shoot me the link. I'd love to see it. Or if you got any cool pictures, send them on over. So that's my first Highway 61 actually getting a handle. I'm actually really enjoying this. And I know they don't really make a lot of new stuff right now. Greenlight did take over them, so hopefully they'll start putting out some more stuff. Is it a valve? Yeah. Sorry, I just had to point this out. Look how tiny that valve is. That valve stem on the wheel. That's crazy. Like, this is... Stuff like this is what got me into 1/18 scale collecting. Is just the amount of, like, over-the-top, ridiculous detail that you see into them. It's like... I know in real life I'm probably never going to own one of these guys. So, I mean, this is as close as I'm going to be able to ever get to it. And... I just appreciate the amount of detail that's thrown into this model, because I mean, it's, like I said, it's as close as I'm going to get to owning one, and I love being able to put it in my shelf, and or even just take it out and take pictures. Like it's so realistic, and I mean, I love it. It's great, and the best part is I don't have to pay any maintenance on it. You know, it's like. What did I get this guy for? It was like 150 shipped, I think. And that's it. I mean, there's no more payments on it. And all I gotta do is throw it in the display case, and it's gonna sit there and look amazing for who knows how many years. Although, this guy I'm probably gonna have to tear apart at some point and clean it up pretty good. Doesn't look too bad on the screws. Anyways, guys, let me know what you've been finding lately, and as always, happy hunting.